So what is up, guys? As you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove your knotless braids after wearing them for 2 months. As you guys can see, my roots are starting to grow in. My hair actually grows in gray. My hair has been like this since I was 19 years old. All I need is a pair of scissors and a rat tail comb. I always make sure I have a comb that has this metal tip on the end. This is perfect for taking out my hair. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, so we have finally removed all of the braids. As you guys can see, I still haven't detangled my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Thank you all for taking the time out to watch this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.